Morning all. Gav's car's broken and he's called in the professionals to fix it. Okay. Recycle the factory mud because that doesn't fit, which it does now.
Is the car even going to work, Louis? Or is it going to still be broken like last time? Like the last 3 times we've been here working on it?
Can you actually see my face in that?
Yeah.
Come on, it's Mitzi, it's not going to work. You know this. Hey, I'll fucking piss on you. Alright, welcome back. So, as you can see, we've got the fuel sender unit out. We've replaced the crank sensor due to no fuel, no spark. Car's still not starting, so next thing is probably dead fuel pump. We've got a new fuel pump fitted, so that's about to be dropped into the tank. And we've had to gash it up a little bit, as you can see. Hopefully that doesn't leak. But we'll get back to you in about 30 minutes and we'll find out. Cool. Wipers and see what happens. Maybe if I lock the knife.
First time?
Yeah, not used to shivs.
That's a lie. It's almost like I'm gonna have enough to return and get my money back.
Yeah, it's like, oh, I didn't need this. So what we're doing here is a non-standard repair. It saves us from having to drop the diff, the exhaust, and the fuel tank.
And the drivetrain.
And the drivetrain. Because Mr. Mitsubishi thought it would be a wise idea to put fucking rigid pipes on top of the fuel sender. So even though they got a nice handy dandy access hole, you can't actually remove the fuel sender from up here. But we found a way. Fun part is now getting that on that. Might have to cut the camera for this. We're gonna get gashed. Alright, so it's been 2 hours and we're just about there. We got the sender unit back on. So now we'll just plumb everything up and see what happens. Yeah, not fun, do not recommend.
Wouldn't have these problems if I had a rotary in it, eh, Gav? You have a lot of teeth for a smart car.
Just wait till your fuel pump fails.
Hey look, it's Devon. You got a fix yet, Louis?
Yeah, man. Why weren't you filming when it was running? Yeah.
You know what the fuck you're doing?
You know how to use that camera?
Aside from spilling fuel everywhere.
It's part of the process.
It's called a motivational smell.
Yeah, it's my process. This is why we enjoy doing fuel tank work. At least I don't have to climb into this one, which is good. Okay, give me a short crank. And again. Okay, stop there. No fuel. Let's give another short crank. Yeah, okay. Hey, still no fuel. Fuck, I think we fried something there, man. Shit spot. Oh. So the good news is we've got fuel.
And coke.
The car's still not running. I think we need a bigger hammer. Fucking shorted it. In fact, the sand.
Oh,
Fuel pump works. So
so it's not there.
yeah.
So
I don't think this car's gonna work.
say that again. Say that again for the camera.
I said I don't think the car's gonna work.